Welcome back. Now we're going to implement and make sure we have those tables related to each other using the one-to-many relationship. So let's see how this is done. So just like I said, this relationship will only require two tables. That is the users table and the jobs table. So the only thing, or the only table we have is the users table, and it's already on the database. So let's create the job model now. So PHP artisan make model, and the name of the model is job in singular and capitalized. Flag it with -m so that it creates two files, that is a migration table and a model, in that single command. So model and migration table created successfully. So first let's deal with the relation between the models. So split right, and then the user split left. Close this one. So we're going to place the jobs method on the user model. So here, so let's first put a comment, and here we're going to get the jobs for the user. So get the jobs for the user. And then the method, this one is jobs. Remember, this model, which is user, owns an infinite number of jobs, or has an infinite number of jobs, so it must be in plural. So return this. Has many. So this one is app job, and remember here now we're going to override that convention by passing in our custom key name that you want to use other than the user ID, and you're going to use client ID. So remember now, every time you want to use the user, we'll be referring to the client ID. Save that, and let's go to the job model. So here we are going to get the client that owns the job, and remember here now it's not the user. We have said, because you have used this custom key name, which is client ID instead of user ID. So get the client that owns the job. Then the method, the method is client singular, because it's one client who owns the job. Return this belongs to. That is the user class. Pass that second argument, which is client ID. So make sure you save. And in the next lecture, we'll look at relation between the tables. See you in the next lecture.